Imagine your morning. You open your eyes. The sun is shining through the window. You get out of bed. You brush your teeth. You eat breakfast. These small actions are your daily routine. A daily routine is very important. It helps you feel organized. It helps you talk about your life in English. You will use it with friends. You will use it at school. You will use it at work. Today, let's learn how to describe your daily routine in simple English. Hello, welcome or welcome back to Slow English Podcast, a special series from the American English Podcast. This is the podcast for learners who want to speak English with more confidence and joy. I'm Anna, and in this podcast, I will always speak slowly and clearly. This way, you can relax, follow me, and repeat after me. Together, we will practice English step by step, day by day. This podcast is made especially for beginners, level A1 to A2. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need to study for hours every day. What you need are small, simple steps that fit into your daily life. Today's topic is daily routine. By the end of this episode, you will know some simple words and phrases to talk about your daily routine. You will also practice speaking with me, and you will feel more confident using English in real life. So, let's begin our practice together. In this part, we will practice with a short, real conversation about a daily routine. Here is how we will learn. First, you will listen to a short dialogue. Second, I will explain some useful sentences and words. Finally, you will repeat the sentences with me. Listen carefully. Try to copy my rhythm and my voice. Don't worry about being perfect. Just practice step by step. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30.
What do you do after that?
First, I brush my teeth. Then, I take a shower.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I eat eggs and toast.
When do you go to work?
I go to work at 8.
How do you feel in the evening?
I feel tired, so I rest and read a book.
Let's look at some key sentences from this dialogue. Sentence 1. I wake up at 6:30. To wake up means to open your eyes in the morning. Repeat after me. I wake up at 6:30. Now you try. I wake up at 6:30. Sentence 2. I brush my teeth. This means you clean your teeth with a toothbrush. Repeat with me. I brush my teeth. Your turn. I brush my teeth. Sentence 3. I take a shower. To take a shower means to wash your body with water. Say it with me. I take a shower. I take a shower. Sentence 4. I go to work at 8. This means you leave your home and start your job. Repeat after me. I go to work at 8. Now you, I go to work at 8. Let's practice the full routine step by step. I wake up. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I come home. I rest. Please repeat these sentences after me. One more time, slowly. I wake up. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I come home. I rest. Great job. Now, let's continue and review some useful words from today's practice. Word 1. Wake up. To wake up means to open your eyes in the morning. Example, I wake up at 7. Repeat with me. I wake up at 7. Word 2. Brush teeth. To brush teeth means to clean your teeth with a toothbrush. Example, I brush my teeth after breakfast. Say it with me. I brush my teeth after breakfast. Word 3. Shower. A shower is when you wash your body with water. Example, I take a shower in the morning. Repeat, I take a shower in the morning. Word 4. Go to work. To go to work means to leave your house and start your job. Example, I go to work at 9 o'clock. Please repeat. I go to work at 9 o'clock. Expression, I feel tired. This means you have no energy. Example, after work, I feel tired. Repeat, after work, I feel tired. Excellent. Now let's use these words in your own practice. You now know the key words. Let's use them in real practice. I will ask you some questions. Please answer with your own daily routine. Question 1. What time do you wake up? Think of your answer. Say it aloud. I wake up at. Question 2. Do you brush your teeth in the morning or at night? Answer. I brush my teeth. Question 3. When do you take a shower? Answer. I take a shower in the. Question 4. What do you eat for breakfast? Answer: I eat for breakfast. Extended challenge. Describe 3 steps of your evening routine. Example: I eat dinner, I watch TV, I go to bed. Great job today. You practiced talking about your daily routine. You listened to a real conversation. You learned new words. You made your own sentences. Remember, small steps every day make big results. Even 5 minutes of practice can help you grow. So tomorrow, try again. Talk about your own daily routine in English. Say it in the morning. Say it at night. Make it part of your habit. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the American English Podcast. Share this with a friend who is also learning English. And join us every week for more practice. Together, we will make English simple, clear, and enjoyable.